Hey everyone, this is Paul from Day-to-Day Fixes. Today we have the Rove R2-4K dash cam. This was bought from Amazon at the beginning of this year, 2024. I will be pairing this up with a Pro Endurance 128GB Samsung card. Comes with a quick installation guide, a manual, and a plastic sheet you can put on your windshield and then put the dash cam on. It comes with some important information on the screen. For example, the type of SD card you should use. It does say you shouldn't use the Pro Endurance card that I'm using, but this has not been an issue for me and it works very well. Here you have some clips. This unit also comes with two different ways of attaching the dash cam to your windshield. This has a sticker on it, and the next version is with a suction cup, which makes it easier to remove. If you're going on vacation, you can just pull out the suction cup and use it on your rental car, or if you need to change it to a different car for whatever reason. It also comes with this tool for the trim, so that way you can squeeze the wire in between the trim and try to hide it. Both a 12-foot and a 2.5-foot USB Type-C power cable is included. The smaller cable could be if you don't have a way to insert your SD card into your computer. You could just take the whole device and connect it to your laptop or computer via the smaller USB-C cable. Again, I'm using the Samsung Pro Endurance card because it is rated up to 70,080 hours and it's made for video monitoring. The power cord does come with two slots in case you need to connect something else in your car and your power cord is taking up your only source of power. The 12-foot long power cable is more than enough to connect your device. I did forget to mention the max size for the SD card this device can handle is 512 gigabytes. Now this is a clip of the dash cam video during the daytime. This is at a stoplight. As you can see at the bottom, the left shows the date, time, latitude, longitude, and the speed. You'll catch some funny things like this guy eating crossing a crosswalk. If you guys don't want the speed to show, there's a setting that you can remove that. Also, there is audio that you can have on or off. This would record the audio inside your car. Here's the video resolution I have it set to, 3840 by 2160p at 30 frames per second. Here is an example of the nighttime dash cam video on the highway. I personally think having a dash cam helps in case anything happens in front of you. There are definitely other dash cams that have a rear view as well, but of course they're definitely a lot more pricier. I think at this price point it's a good buy. It seems like this ranges from $79.99 to $99.99 at the beginning of 2024. Just a few more things I want to point out. You can transfer your video to your computer by taking out the SD card and putting it inside your computer, or removing the whole dash cam device and plugging it into with the USB-C wire, or you can download the app and transfer your video linking the dash cam to your phone. Also, for those wondering, you can hardwire this to your car, but you need a separate hardware kit, which and only after that would the dash cam activate if it feels that it was hit while your car was parked, and it would save the footage. If your car was hit while you were driving, it does have a G sensor which will save the footage automatically. It would not allow it to be deleted. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any comments, leave those too as well.